In this tutorial I will show you how to make photo into a Joker style edit. So let's get started. Double tap your layer image to unlock. Create a new layer. Select the 2 layer, right click, convert to smart object. Duplicate the layer. Hide the first layer, then select the top layer. Go to adjustment panel, hue saturation. Desaturate the color. Invert the mask area, select brush tool to brush the mask adjustments. Adjustment panel, vibrance. Control hold drag, to copy the mask area. Adjustment panel, levels. Right-click, clip the adjustment. Adjustment panel, hue saturation. Play the adjustment to create a red color. Use brush tool to brush the mask area. Repeat the same process to create your color by using the hue saturation adjustments. Group your layers, combine, go to filter, select camera raw. Play some adjustment to add some effects in your photo. Add some shades into your image. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.